Ассалаумағалейкум достар, сізді менен деген Расул достар. Көптен бері видео шықпай кетті, оның да себептері бар. Бүгін біздер дейтін тренировкада ойын көрсететін боламыз. Алыншы музыкамен тамашалап кетіңіздер.
Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fake now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, when I could find my way even when the flames go down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and die. I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Letting on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. Alone, I'm alright. Just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy. You gon' see what's left in me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Let's just watch me go. Come to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'm a man. Call me obsessive, oh I'm call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though. So we ain't gonna buy life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I won. Say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but the Lord they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no. Mentally and physically, studying them religiously, so I don't read the story. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get to see, they'd rather just go leave it be. And I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. All this hurts me. I take action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not over. Yes, I wanna be something. I wanna be nothing. Living all alone. No, I'm not alright. I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine. So you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet. But those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no. gonna make it. You're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible. It's not probable. You're irresponsible. Too many obstacles. You gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow. You can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move. I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They blocking your vision, but no, you can't listen. That shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't gonna make it. You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, it's break it. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing. See you straight, man, there's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just fake it. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds. Talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth. Before I do more, speak out. It's about to head south. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. You're just gonna take that. Make them take it all back. Tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back? So fucking ugly inside, and I think that I will find my love. I think that I will find my love. You must pay, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. You must pay, yeah, 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 yeah. For your sins and my baby. They can save you, my baby, but you must pay, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Thoughts keep running inside my head. My baby want me dead. Where's my dad? I just need some help, 'cause demons keep screaming inside my brain. I'm praying, my Lord. I'm praying 'cause I'm dead. Smiling, you must pay, yeah, 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 for your sins and they can save you, my baby, but you must pay, oh yeah, yeah. You must pay, yeah, yeah, for your sins and no baby. Save you, my baby, but you must pay, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Young Lean do it. Shawty, you know what it do. 2015, MIA. 'Cause I keep that.